There, everyone, is me again in front of you, and today I'm bringing you another opportunity or another platform where we can make some money from. I have diverse opportunities and diverse platform where we can make money from. So I'm going to be putting inclusive in the description my social media groups that you can join and earn from these opportunities as I post them and as I make research about them. Now, this platform is called Orchid. It's a new platform that's been around for some time, and this platform helps you perform or you perform social tasks on this platform and earn steady figures daily. You earn daily by performing social tasks on this platform. I myself, I have used this platform. I've registered on this platform, and I myself have made some money from this platform. Now there are other things that this platform helps you to do. You can boost your social portfolio, your social media pages, get realize, get recommends, get real people to join your Telegram group or WhatsApp group or to follow your Twitter page. And you can also buy data and airtime on this platform at cheaper rate and sell at normal rate to your friends and family. You can also buy and sell anything on this platform, and you can also advertise your product through this platform. There are also diverse opportunities whereby you can refer someone to this platform and earn some good amount of money just by referring people to the platform. And so what you need to do right now is to click on the sign up. Once you sign up, you enter your full name, and your referral username. So I'm going to be entering full name. This is actually my younger one's full name, so my name is different. So yeah, I'm entering my full name now, and I'm going to enter the referral code. And this referral link is going to be in the description. The referral username is going to be in the description also, so that we can use to sign up for this platform and make some money for ourselves. Note, you must use the referral link to be able to get some bonuses. If you don't use the referral link, you may not get some extra bonuses as you ought to. And so okay, so yeah, sorry for the time. Okay, so this is our referral username. Irika Empire is a referral username. I'm gonna leave the link in the description, and so that we can use it to register for our um application whenever we want to register. So we'll click on sign up right now, and once we click on sign up, click on sign up and wait. Okay, so now you're gonna enter your username. Let's just say a role and email. Let's use an email I created. Okay, and create a password. So I'm going to be removing this section. So now we have our password, our email, and our username. So let's click create account. Okay, so it says username already exists, so we're going to use this. And now we are signed up on the platform, but before we get fully signed up, we need to enter the two-factor code that was sent to our mail. So we're going to our mail right now. I'm gonna get it for us. Okay, so yeah, the code is okay. So this is the code. And so we have verified. You select your gender, male, select your state, Delta, select your local government, where I'm gonna set location, and you can always edit that. You can skip this if you don't want to add a picture. Now so let's know about you. Let's add your date of birth. So I'm gonna keep this information private. So I just added my date of birth and I click continue, and voila, we are registered. Now another thing you need to note is that you must activate your membership, and to activate your membership you're going to use pay a sum of 1,000 naira to activate your membership. After you finish activating your membership, then you can start performing social tasks daily and keep earning daily. And once you refer someone, you get instant bonus on your account as a person activates their membership or become a member on this platform. So yes guys, this is the site on how to make money with your phone. This is a very good site, very good opportunity, and you can use this opportunity to make greater returns as the time goes by. Thank you very much. Please leave a like to this video and also subscribe to this channel, as from time to time we will drop in some videos that I've properly researched for you to make cool cash from it. In my last video I made a video on how to make cash money from um sorry from shipper catch. I dropped a video on how to make money from shipper catch, and if you are watching this video and have not watched that video, please go. The link is going to be in the description also, where you can also make money from shipper catch. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, and I'll see you next time.